Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Trisha. Today I wanted to show you guys how I do my brows. For that, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Ash Brown, and it's one of those angle liners, and this is so amazing. This is what gives me those natural brow that natural brow look, and I love this pencil, so I'm gonna go in with that and just carve my brows out. I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and then I'm gonna use this fluffy brush just to blend it out. Now I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna blend that concealer out. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of that same concealer that I used to clean up my brows, and I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my hand. Just a little tiny bit. Literally, all you need is a little tiny bit because you're barely gonna use any of that. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M432 brush, And I'm just going to take a little bit of that on both sides of the brush. Now what I'm going to do is now I'm just using my finger to literally just tap it just to blend it in. And you see the difference? Here I have box brows and this one looks more natural. So that's kind of what I like to do to give my brows a natural look. And what I just realized is that all this time I've been using like a black or a dark gray pencil for my brows. And this one that I just used is more on the brown side, and that matches my brows so much more because I thought, oh, my hair is like closer to black and that means my brows are closer to black, so that's what I always use. Didn't know that I could just use the freaking brown pencil and that matches it more, and that's why they look more natural. So and now I'm going to go in with my Essence Make Me Brow Mascara in Brownie Brows, and I'm just going to take that to kind of set my brow hairs in place. And there you have it, you guys. That's our brows. This is how I get my nice natural looking, well, natural to me looking brows. That's the process I go through every time I do my brows. I really do love that new pencil. It's amazing. Like that Wet n Wild pencil, that's really great. I've never tried it before and I am so happy I did because it's amazing. I also am so in love with this Essence Make Me Brow Gel. It is fantastic. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you next time for the next video. Bye.